Hey, in this video, I will show you how I fix my iOS 26 draining battery on an iPhone. Basically everything you can do on iOS 26, but it basically works the exact same way on any other updates. So the first thing you can do to actually fix it is go over to your settings, go to general. From there, you want to go ahead and click on background app refresh, and there you want to just click on the first option, background app refresh, and have it at off. This is the first thing you can do. The next thing you can do is just go back and go to settings, then go over to Face ID and passcode. Type in your passcode just like I did, and from here you want to go all the way down and require attention for Face ID. You want to turn that off, and then you want to go down to accessories, allow access when locked to accessories. You want to have that off, and that's in live activities. You want to have that off. That's basically what you want to do. The next thing you want to do is go over to your location settings. So just go to search, type in location services. Here it is. And from here, there's a bunch of things you can turn off. First of all, you can just turn them off in the first option, toggle on and off, or you want to go over different locations and just have them off. For example, why would I have location on for WhatsApp always? I don't need that. So you can turn some of these location off. After that, you want to click on system services, and here there's a bunch of things you need to check off, like home services. So normally you have home services somewhere around here. Improve Mac, product improvement, you want to check all of these off. I think all of these doesn't have to be on because this is for analytics. Share my location, you can have that off. HomeKit, you can have that off. I would think that Find My Phone, you'd normally want to have that on. Then you want to go back to accessibility. So you can type in accessibility here in the search bar, and from there you want to go to motion, and you want to have reduce motion and prefer crossfade transition. You want to have both of these options on. Then the next thing you can do is go over to your settings and click on battery right here, and then switch power mode on. So that's basically what you want to do to have the iOS 26 draining battery on iPhone fixed. Let me know your thoughts, like the video, and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next one.